Now, many of you already know that a couple of days ago, the city of Shanghai came and announced some subsidies which they will be giving to EV makers like NEO. NEO, when they build their third, fourth generation battery swapping station in Shanghai, they will be subsidized 40% of that. And this is something that is pretty exciting, and it is taking place in Shanghai. Shanghai continues to show some massive support onto EV makers like NEO that are making and developing these battery swapping stations, which is something that is pretty great, pretty exciting. I mean, China has been making sure that they give massive support to their local new energy vehicle car makers like NEO. I mean, you will know that there is a subsidy of up to 20,000 RMB that has been given out for those that are trading their old cars for new cars or new EV cars. Those that are trading petrol cars for another petrol car, they get 15,000 RMB, but to new energy vehicle cars, they get 20 or up to 20,000 RMB, which shows you that China cares about the new energy vehicle market. China wants the new energy vehicle market to flourish, which is why they continue giving it the massive support that it needs to go to the next level. The reason why I'm telling you this is that Shenzhen, or the city of Shenzhen, just reiterated its massive support onto new energy vehicle car makers that want to scrap their old cars for other new energy vehicle cars. They will be getting 20,000 RMB, which this again, it shows you the collaboration, it shows you the unity that is in Chinese cities, that is in China right now, taking a massive support or giving out a massive support onto new energy vehicle car makers like NEO. This is great news. This is good news. When I read this, I mean, I just felt this confidence in me to say companies like NEO will forever continue doing very well. NEO will do so well in China, and we need not to worry about sales. Sales will recover. People are waiting for new models, and when new models come, it's lights out. From next month or from Q2, NEO is expecting to start launching new models, and with the new models, hopefully it opens new deliveries, which is great, which is amazing. Onvo sub-brand, yes, previous video I did earlier today, we're talking about that the deliveries are not coming as expected, and with that, the rumors are saying the president of Onvo have already started packing his bags because he is failing to meet the target which he set for themselves the moment they started delivering this car back in September or end of September of last year. Onvo L60 started deliveries last year in September, and this car, ladies and gents, has not been delivering as per what was expected. I mean, Onvo in January delivered 4,000, and they were expecting, or they were supposed to deliver, or based on the estimates made by the president of Onvo, they were supposed to get 15,000. February, they got 5,900. The plan was to get 16,000. But anyways, this is what we are seeing coming from Onvo. But it looks like things should get better with Onvo also, because this year you know that they are also launching 2 models. Hopefully that will improve or get the deliveries of Onvo to grow, which is something that is great. Something that I'm liking from NEO is that they are restructuring their business. They are making sure that they do what is important to make sure that they get to profitability, which is something that is great, something that is exciting. And with that strategy, CBU, Sell Business Unit, I hope that we get to see gross margins improving. We get to see NEO doing so well, and Q4 NEO getting to profitability, which will be so great, so amazing. And boy, I must say, I cannot wait. I remain confident that NEO will do very well. I know some people are already saying there is no way that NEO is going to double sales this year. But again, let's wait, let's see how things unfold. Hopefully they double sales. I'm still confident, but let's wait, let's see. I know that they need like to deliver 41,000 each and every month to get to the double sales which they said they would. But again, let's wait, let's see how that one unfolds. It simply means that by in December or from Q2, NEO should be not be selling anything less than 120,000 per quarter. Which do I see that coming? I'm not sure, but I'm quite certain that Q3, Q4, it should be easier for NEO to get to that, because they would have launched most of their models, and in Q3 there is a third factory kicking in, which production, it should not be a problem, right? Which is something that is great, and something that, of course, we look forward to that. So yeah, man, I remain long, I remain strong onto NEO, and I am bullish because one thing that we are seeing coming from China is doing whatever they can to give massive support into EV maker, or onto the EV maker like NEO, which is something that is great. And this makes me to be very happy, because I know that they will never allow NEO to fail. I know China will do whatever they can to make sure that NEO gets to succeed, because NEO, it is one of the most popular EVs in China, and therefore China will make sure that they succeed, they get to profitability, which that as a result will of course make the investors of NEO to be really excited. Share price wise, NEO started on a green, right now it's on a red, but I'm not worried, man. I think long term will win, blue sky will come. Yesterday we finished up 18%. Today at market open we were up, there was a point in time we were up 5%, which was so great and amazing. And hopefully we get to see the trend of NEO going up. Hopefully we continue seeing things getting better and better for NEO. Otherwise, I will see you on the next one. Don't you forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. I remain long and strong onto NEO, because I know one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. I will see you on the next one, and God bless you all.